Introduction of tools and equipments. Carpentry tools is an physical item that can be used to achieve a goal, especially if the item is not consumed in the process. Tools that are used in particular fields or activities may have different designations such as instrument, utensil, machines. The set of tools that needed to achieve a goal is equipment. Hand tools for the carpentry are chisel, files, planes, hammers, and hand saw. Let us discuss in detail the use of hand tools. Chisel. It is a metal tool with a flat and sharp end that is used to cut and shape a solid material such as stone, wood, or metal. A gouge typically has a U-shaped cross section. Types of woodworking chisel that is used for specific purposes are butt chisel. It is a short chisel that are designed to rest easily in the ball of the hand. Generally, the blade on a butt chisel is relatively short and square edge on an object. Carving chisel. The professional carving tools are used to carve sculpture and also reliefs. Framing chisel. It is a long handled slicks made for timber framing, sculpting, and other big jobs. Thick and heavy tang fitted through a steel to ensure maximum durability. Paring chisel. Paring chisel is a longer, thinner chisel which can be pushed into long joints such as a housing joints. It is used for cleaning up the joints and to make it an accurate fit. Files. It is a tool for hardened steel in the form of a rod with many small cutting edges raised on its longitudinal surfaces. It is used for smoothing objects, especially of metal. The cutting of the file results from rubbing it, usually by hand, against the workpiece. It most commonly refers to the hand tool style, which take the form of a steel bar with a case-hardened surface and a series of sharp parallel teeth. Most files have a narrow point tang at one end, which can handle and can be fitted. There are different types of files. Diamond file. The use of diamond allows the file to be used effectively against extremely hard materials such as stone, glass, or very hard metals such as hardened steel, which a standard steel file is ineffective. Needle files. Needle files are small files that are used in application where the surface finish takes priority over metal removal rate, but they are most suited for smaller worker pieces. They are often sold in set including different shapes. Machine file. It is a useful tool as they reduce fatigue and improve product accuracy, and although not usually seen in modern production environment, they may be found in older tool rooms. Planes. A hand plane is a tool for shaping wood. When powered by electricity, the tool may be called planer. Planes are used to flatten, reduce the thickness of, and impart a smooth surface to a rough piece of lumber or timber. Most planes are categorized as either bench plane or block plane. In modern day carpentry, electrically powered hand planers, also called hand or handheld power planers or simply power planes. Hammers. It is generally used to drive or break up materials. They are available in a variety of weights and length, depending on the purpose. Heavier hammers are designed for jobs like framing, decking, roofing, while smaller framers are used for trim and finish work. A hand tool consisting of a handle with a head of metal or other heavy rigid material that is attached at a right angle used for striking. Hand saw. It is also known as panel saw or fish saw, which are used to cut pieces of wood into different shapes. Saws are made into various shapes and sizes. Use the correct saw for the job. Wear safety glasses or a face shield. Select a saw of proper shape and size for stock being used. Now, let us study about the power tools which is used in carpentry. Circular saw. It is a power saw using a toothed blade to cut different materials. Circular saw may also loosely used for the blade itself. It was invented in the late 18th century. Circular saw can cut sheet goods such as plywood as accurately than a table saw. With special blades, a circular saw can even be used to cut curved shapes. Power drill. It is a must-have item for woodworking, metalworking. A drill is a tool fitted with a cutting tool attachment, usually a drill bit or driver bit, used for boring holes in various materials. Jigsaw. It is a power tool which is made up of an electric motor. A jigsaw with a bevel function on the sole plate allow cutting angles of typical up to 45 degrees relative to the normal vertical stroke for cutting meter joint. It is used for handle design, corded and blade guide system and also for smoothness of operation. Staple gun. Staple gun are used for many different applications and to affix a variety of materials including insulation, roofing, hobby and craft materials. Staple gun is used for furniture making, carpentry, framing, screen making and a wide range of other end uses. Moving further, let us study about another important tool which is used in carpentry procedure. Drilling. Drilling is a cutting process that uses a drill bit to cut a hole of circular cross section in solid material. The drill bit is a rotary cutting tool, often multi-point. Drills are commonly used in woodworking, metalworking, construction and do-it-yourself project. While using a drill machine, always use a proper purpose and made extension cord if you need a longer wire for your drill, and never pick the drill up by its cord. Thank you.